Hey guys, I'm Adam Fennig with Fennig Equipment, and you're tuned into the Talking Shed. Today it's July 6th, Friday, and it's finally cooled off here. We've had quite the heat here over the last couple weeks, late June into July, but it's about 79 degrees here. But we've had a lot of heat and humidity, and we know what that brings in is some diseases into our corn. Here in Ohio and in most of the Midwest, we're right at that tassel point, you know, either just beginning or just starting tassel and pollination. So it's a crucial time to really go out and scout the fields and check for these diseases. One of them in particular is gray leaf spot. We're seeing and hearing a lot of that this year. Kurt's actually in the Y-drop machine right now covering some acres, and he's seeing quite a bit too. So I just want to go over real quick of how to scout and find gray leaf spot, and then the appropriate ways of application to fight that off. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to find the lowest ear leaf. So what I mean by that is this particular stalk right here is shooting 2 ears. So we have an ear leaf right here and an ear leaf right here. So once you find the ear leaf, which is where you can just start to see the ear sticking out, you go a leaf or 2 below that, and that's where you want to look for gray leaf spot. The reason being is that these diseases start at the base of the plant, work their way up, and once they get to the ears, then that's where they start to do yield robbing damages. So, you know, we've diagnosed this plant here, so the next thing we have to do is come in and do an application. You can call up the plane, he can quickly cover some acres. You can bring in a high clearance sprayer and go over the top. But the ideal means of application would be the Yield 360 undercover. Get that base running right through where the disease is, so you can get it stopped before it harms your plant. Over the last few years, we've seen quite a few advantages of applying fungicide late season. I know TrivaPro is a really good one to go out there and apply. I mean, we're seeing, you know, dozens of bushel advantages, 10 to 20 in most cases. So it's something I really urge you to go out and scout this weekend and plan to maybe make a pass next week. Get this gray leaf spot stopped in time before it robs yield. We've got the bushel potentials here this year, so get every penny of it and go ahead and make that pass. So that's what we're doing today. We're making some scouting decisions here early July. Thanks for tuning in.